welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is having a great week. I'm sharing this video as my midweek haul, and I have a better deal idea if you want to pick up the Axe dry spray and also the Dove hair care as your spend 40 get $10 back. And I have a cheaper way to do the John Frieda hair care deal and also the Love Beauty and Planet if your store have what my store have. Let me show you guys how to do it. The first deal I'll be picking up in this haul will be the spend 40 get $10 bag, and I'll be picking up some Old Spice deodorant and dry spray. They're on sale for buy one get one half off. I'll pick up 3 of the dry spray. 2 of them are priced at $9.49 and 1 of them is priced at $8.99. They are just placed on the wrong spot. And I'll also add another deodorant priced at $8.49. And to get to 40, I'll be grabbing 2 of the Secret aluminum free dry spray priced at $9.49. Remember, one will be full price and one will be half off. The total for these 6 items will be $41.72, and I'll be using all digital coupons and CRT for this. For the 2 Secret products, I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and for the Old Spice, I have a 5 off 3 digital coupon as well. I also have a 3 off 2 CRT for Secret or Gillette that will also apply. It will bring it down to $29.72. Then I'll get $10 back. Then I will also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on all the Old Spice products, and extra $1 back for the dry spray. And for the Secret deodorant, I'll be getting $4 back for buying 2, making all these items just $4.72 or 79 cents each. But I also have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT. That means I have to grab more products to be able to use that. Covergirl is on a tier deal this week. Buy 2 get 5, or you buy 3 you get $8 back, and it doesn't track. I'll be picking up one of the brow pencils priced at $5.79. I'm only picking up one of this because my store have only 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils, which is priced at $4.99. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film that, but you can see the 2 products I picked up. The 3 of them will come up to $15.77, and I'll be using the 3 paper coupon you just saw. I got this from the 7:30 savings set, but there is a new one that came out in last Sunday's savings set. With these 3 coupons, if you're doing this by itself, it will bring it down to $6.77, and I'll get $8 back, making all 3 items free and a $1.23 money maker. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be what will help me get to $70. That way I can use the 10 off 70, and that will be the Revlon deal. It's on the deal of spend 20 get $8 back, limit of 1. I picked up 2 of the eyeliners priced at $9.99, and that will come up to $19.98, which is within the 98% rule. So make sure your store follows that. And I'll be using these 2 coupons I got from coupons.com. That's $3 off. And also, everybody received last Sunday a $5 instant CRT for Revlon. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $8.98. By itself, I will get $8 back, making these 2 items 98 cents or 49 cents each. These are all the items for the spend 40 get $10 back. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. These are all the items I picked up. And looking at my receipt, let me explain how it worked out. For the Old Spice dry spray, 2 of them was $9.49. So the second one was half off. For the Secret product, 1 of them was $9.49 and the second one was $4.75. And the third Old Spice dry spray was $8.99. That's why the deodorant was $4.25. And the Covergirls and also the Revlon. For my coupons, everything worked out fine. All my CRTs came off and all my coupons scanned. I ended up using $33 extra care box, paid $2.44 out of pocket. And I got back $10 for the spend 40 get $10 back. Got the $8 back for buying 3 of the Covergirl, and another $8 back for spending 20 for the Revlon. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $4 for buying 2 of the Secret dry spray. And for the Old Spice products, I got $2 back on each one of them. and extra $1 on the dry spray, making the total amount of what I got back from Ibotta $15. After the rebate, this transaction ended up costing me just $4.72 or 79 cents each. I only did one transaction today, but I decided to share more deals in this video, and that's another spend 40 get $10 back, and this will include the Dove hair care. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and picking up 4 of the Dove hair care. But with this deal, I wanted to share the ones that cost $6.99 if you don't want to add a filler item. Pick up one of the $6.99 and pick up 3 of the ones that are priced at $5.49. These 4 items will come up to $18.17. And to get to 40, pick up 4 of the Axe dry spray priced at $7.49, which is also on sale for buy one get one half off, which will make all 8 items $40.64. And the coupons you will use for this deal will be from the 7:30 savings set. And for the Axe dry spray, there is a buy one get one free, and the max value it will take off is $7.50. Use 2 of those. And for the Dove in the same insert, there is a $4 off too. Use 2 of the Dove coupon. That will be a total of $8 off for the Dove. I have a 4 off 20 Axe CRT that will take off another $4, and another 3 off 15 Dove hair care CRT. With the coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $10.64. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 8 items 64 cents or 8 cents each. The next deal is on Crest toothpaste. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $4 back, and they are priced at $8.99. But before you buy these items, make sure you're scanning them on your Ibotta and make sure they are attaching to the $2 rebate. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $17.98. We have 2 $3 coupon in our app that is attaching to this. Use them, it will bring it down to $11.98 and you get $4 back. Then when you submit to Ibotta and get $2 back on each one of them, it will make both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. If you don't want to do the deal with the Love Beauty and Planet hair care, but the deal with these items are buy 2 get $2 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $13. If your store have the clearance items for this product priced at $2.24, pick up 2. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon everybody received on Sunday. You will pay just 48 cents. You're not going to get any extra care box back because clearance items don't give back extra care box. It will make both items 48 cents or 24 cents each. Another cheap item you can pick up will be on the John Frieda hair care. It's part of the spend 20 get $10 back. But if you don't want to do this deal and you have this clearance item, the Violet Crotch for Blondes, it's on sale for $3.99. There is no coupon for this, but check your Ibotta because mine I have a $3 back. That will make it just 99 cents. This concludes my video and I hope it's just a little bit helpful to you. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.